yes. One. They're all ripe. Two. And then there's another one down there. Oh, here are the birds. The birds are here. Oh, look at this. Maybe this one, right? And then let's harvest. Here you go. Let's pick some flowers. Where are the oranges? And look at the kumquats. Oh, it's just very loud with that one. Now let's go to the other side. Oh, look at this. Citronelle. Citronelle flowers are beautiful. Today is Sunday. We just came back from church and now I'm about to prepare our Sunday brunch. It's going to be a linguiça. So yesterday we went to a Brazilian market. The name of the store is Copacabana, and we got this linguiça toscana, this one, and this is fully cooked. And then we also got this chicken hearts, which I will prepare later for dinner. If I think the weather is nice, so I'll probably have dinner in the backyard garden. But we have a lot of errands to do today too. After brunch, Josh has like math school, and then we do our grocery shopping, and then after that I will prepare the dinner. Hopefully we can have it in the backyard garden. But anyway, here's what I am going to prepare, and then eggs, and what else, and then rice, and then I'll think about other things to prepare. While waiting for the rice to get cooked, let's do a mini haul on what we got from the Brazilian market, which we are going to have for a dinner later. So we have this, the cheese balls, and then this one is Padoca's bolinho de carne, kind of like croquette. And this one I already showed earlier. So what we're having for dinner is this, and this one, and then we also have other stuff. So it's more of like finger food. And then we also got this cassava flour, and then this one. This is the guarana. Like this is soda. Now let's cook the linguiça. I'm back in the garden to harvest some leafy greens to saute, so we can add on to our breakfast. I already prepared the trellis for the wing beans. I'll plant the wing beans here and then cucumbers on this side. But look at our leafy greens. They have bolted already, but I can still harvest some of the leaves. Like this one, for example, this branch and this, and then the wider leaves down here. Like you can still use the leaves even after they bolted. And then I'll use this, oh, there's a mosquito. I use this garden bed for squash. I will plant squash here. And my harvest. I watched the leafy green. I just need to spray this one. That's pretty. So these are the flowers of my garden pickings. The oranges and then the flowers. The geraniums. And then I need to cook the eggs. So I'm cooking the linguiça. Now I'm cooking the eggs. Josh, Daddy needs your help. Rice is ready. Coffee is brewing. The vegetables are ready too, as well as the linguiça. So I'm just finishing up the eggs, and brunch is almost ready. A little bit of salt. And here's our Sunday brunch. Look at the beautiful flowers. So what I harvested from the garden are the oranges, the leafy greens, and then I picked these flowers too.
Here are oranges, linguiça from the Brazilian market, eggs, and kale from our garden. We picked oranges and kale.
And bok choy. Here's the egg dripping onto my rice. Yum yum. We went to Starbucks to get the Antigua. We haven't tried this before, right?
Yeah, pero hindi ano.
Ito, hindi pa. Hindi. Mom is going to the bank. I'm going to Michael's. Oh, they have a lot of summer stuff. Really cute stuff. Look at this. I'll take a quick look. I'm in a hurry right now, but I'll be back to get stuff. For now, what I need is to get like a dye. She said I'll 50 over there. Oh yeah, here. I need a blue dye. What else do I need? I think this is the only thing that I need from here. Now we are going to pick up Josh. Just pick up Josh. Just came back from the grocery and like found all our shopping. You know, the cheese and then the milk. Let's get lemon for the lemon and cucumber salad. Oh, cucumber and tomato salad. There you go. This is the other lemon tree. This is the cucumber and tomato salad. Here's the lemon that we harvested from the backyard garden. It's like seedless. One is seedless and then the other one has seeds. Both are like Eureka lemon. It's so mouthly when you squeeze a lemon. And then the other one. It's super juicy too. This has salt already. Now let's cook the chicken hearts. The season. Is the season already? So I just need to cook. Probably like a few minutes. They are like really tiny, so it won't take that long to cook them. There you go. I'm not sure how they call this in Brazilian, but we usually get the chicken hearts in Peruvian restaurants, and they call this anticucho. This won't take that long, and then now I need to deep fry the croquette, the meat croquette, the bolinho de carne, and then the cheese balls. I need to cook them in the air fryer. Meat, and then the other one, cheese balls. Of the cheese balls. Go to the air fryer. And then oh, this is cheese ball. This is the croquette or the meat. And then let's do air fry 400 degrees Fahrenheit for, let's try 6 minutes first, and then we can always add time. And here's the melted cheese. See? Yum yum. Here's what I prepared for our backyard dinner. We have the chicken hearts, the linguiça, croquette, the meat croquette, the cheese balls, and then the cucumber and tomato salad.
Cheers.
Cheers. Hi guys.
Good.
Is it? Is it the meatballs?
The Brazilian croquette
Oh.
with minced meat.
I'm recording him. I'm Daddy. Hi Daddy. Which one which one is your favorite?
All of them.
I don't know what my thoughts are on this, but like, it kind of tastes like, but it kind of doesn't. I don't know.
That's why it's here. Let's try the cheese.
Look at the cheese. Earlier it was oozing.
Oh yeah. Oh, there you go. The mockingbird is there because it's waiting for us. You know what he's getting? The blueberries over there.
There's not much lemon. It's one.
You can pick them. You can pick behind you, Josh. To add more. Josh is super helpful.
I'm so proud.
Enough, only one. Are you sure? You might drop it.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Okay, Josh, you can blow the candle now.
Gosh, I don't want to touch it either.
Perfect. Oh. Oh, what? One big blow. There you go. Perfecto.
God is the highest, and on earth peace to people of good day. Glory to God.
Thank you.
God.
We went to this place, Copacabana Market. This is a Brazilian market. Look at their snacks on the shirt. Valle Duro. Maybe these are the popular snacks in Brazil. Oh, this one is, yeah, Brazilian. We had this at a Brazilian Charles Korea. What now? Then, right? This like soda.
Season.
Huh?
Fried garlic season. So, parang ganda.
Oh.
Yeah, for
Fried
cooking.
garlic seasoned salt. It's probably for their barbecue. For the, I don't know. Oh, look at this. Farofa planta, cassava flour, cassava flour.
Oh, the Brazilian glass. Look. Over the shop.
Oh, cassava.
Yeah.
Sagu. Look at their sagu. Hi. Creo pa. I want to. Yuki.
Your cassava flour, is it like for sweet dessert or also for like cooking? Savory.
Usually our cassava flour is for farofa, which is
We're trying this
Ano
one.
flavor yan?
Just cassava flour.
Here's carne seca. Mas malasa to.
Where are you, Josh?
I'm like Copacabana.
It's a Brazilian market. Someone won 23 million here.